have another big breaking news coming in. Remember, Rahul Gandhi had attacked the left over Sabrimala. Let's talk about what has happened next, because it's an explosive fight within the INDIA partners. Now, it is a CPIM which has targeted Rahul Gandhi. It's P. Sandosh who's called the remarks, quote-unquote, irresponsible. He said that Rahul's statement was untruthful, going on to say that Rahul is misreading alliance dynamics and he's called for unity against the BJP. But here is the very, very crucial line which he said, going on to say it's time to review the India alliance. So what happens to the India alliance next after this remark? We'll have to wait and watch. But obviously, this is going to give enough ammunition to the BJP as well. This could be a major flashpoint going ahead. Niyamika is joining us live on the broadcast. Niyamika, this is a very significant statement. We have a CPI MP who has targeted Rahul Gandhi, P. Santosh calling Rahul Gandhi's remarks irresponsible, going on to say that there is a need to review the dynamics, the alliance itself. Take us through Rahul Gandhi's initial statement on Sabrimala and how it has led to a fight between the INDIA partners.
Well, yesterday Rahul Gandhi was campaigning in Kerala, where he has made a scathing attack upon the BJP, stating that why BJP is absolutely silent on the Sabrimala issue. But in that particular statement, he has also mentioned about the left. He has basically given he has made this particular allegation, stating that there is an unholy nexus between the BJP and the left in Kerala, and that is the only reason why it is very much necessary to make sure that it is the Congress party's government which will be voted to power in these assembly elections. But there is a response which is coming in on the part of CPI MP, Mr. P. Sandosh, as he has basically targeted not just Rahul Gandhi but the entire high command of the Congress. He has basically stated that this particular statement is being made by Rahul Gandhi only because he wants to consolidate the minority vote. But on the other side, he has also stated that Rahul Gandhi needs to remember that he is the leader of opposition and there is an India alliance. It is very much necessary to understand that what is actually the reason behind forming this India alliance, and for that reason he had stated that there is no one within the Congress party who is going to condemn this particular statement of Rahul Gandhi within the Congress party, and that is the only reason why he has also demanded that there is high time that there should be an introspection within the India alliance, that whether the leadership should be actually given to Congress party or not, because the way in which there is a continuous rift which can clearly be seen within the India bloc, that is once again being raked up, because we have seen that many of the other leaders within the India bloc, they had challenged the leadership of Rahul Gandhi because of many of these statements. And this is the latest reaction which has been given by the CPI's Rajya Sabha MP. He had basically stated that the chemistry of the India alliance was about the secularism and the need to fight against the BJP. But now it is the time when there should be a introspection which must be done by the India bloc partners, that whether the Congress party actually deserves to be in the leadership of the India alliance or not. The way in which Rahul Gandhi has made this statement,
and this is a very significant statement, as we said earlier. Perhaps it could give ammunition to the BJP as well, and could turn out to be a major flashpoint going ahead. Niyamika, thank you for joining us with all these details. Viewers, let's also listen in to what Rahul Gandhi had to say initially, that statement which is the genesis really of the controversy which is brewing at this point of time.
He has forgotten that the left front leaders stole from Ayyappaji. He has forgotten that the left front leaders took the gold of Ayyappa temple and replaced it with brass. Narendra Modi does not care anything about religion, Hinduism or temples. For him, if he gets a vote from the temple, then he will talk about the temple.
All right, with that, we are slipping into a short commercial break. News and updates on the other side. Please don't go anywhere.